So do you know right now most of the businesses have adapted a new marketing technique which is meme marketing. They regularly post meme on their social media platforms which are relatable to the leads and customers. By this they can market their product or their services very efficiently and in a more fun way. So in this video I'll show you how you can create memes and post on Facebook automatically. You don't have to do anything, just create this automation, then sit back and relax, and automatically memes will be posted on your social media platform. So to do this you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner you're going to see the option of sign up for free, so click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can post up to 100 of memes for free on your social media platform, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application we have to select it as schedule by Pabbly. So schedule is a feature by Pabbly which helps you to schedule your workflows. For the event, select it as schedule workflow and click on this connect. Now it is saying how often do you want to run your workflow. So if you want to post these memes every day, you can select it as every day and then select the time. If you want to post these memes in some particular dates of the month or days of the week, you can select the same over here. I want to post these memes on 2 days of a week, which is Wednesdays and Sundays. So I've selected days of week over here, and now for the days I'm going to select Wednesday and also Sunday over here. If you want, you can definitely post it on 3 days, 4 days. It totally depends upon you and the marketing technique you are using. For the time, I am going to keep the time as 1 p.m. You can select any another of your choice according to the highest engagement of the audience you have at the particular time. You can select it and click on this save. Now this workflow for me is scheduled on Wednesdays and Sundays 1 p.m. You can schedule this according to your own choice. After scheduling this workflow using Gemini, we are going to generate the memes which we're going to further post on our Facebook page. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to search for Google AI Studio, which is Gemini. So either type Gemini or type Google AI Studio. This is going to appear, so select it. For the event, select it as generate and edit image nano banana and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Google AI Studio and Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me. Click on add a new connection and it is asking for the API token. So to get this API token, click on this Google AI Studio. The hyperlink is given right over here. Once you click on this hyperlink, a window something like this will appear in front of you. After this window appears, from the left hand of the side, go on this get API key section. Once you come on this get API key section, click on this create API key. Now you have to name your key, select the project and click on this create key button. Once you click on this create key button, your key will be created. Then what you have to do, you just have to copy the key like this and paste it right over here in your workflow. After pasting this key, click on this save, and a Google AI Studio, which is Gemini, is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now select the model as Nano Banana, Nano Banana Pro or Nano Banana 2. It totally depends upon you. I'm going to select it as Nano Banana 2. For the method, select it as generate content, and now it is asking me for the prompt. So let me enter the prompt over here. So as you can see, this is my prompt, which is you are a professional internet meme creator who specializes in real estate and property related humor. So I want to create this automation for my own real estate Facebook page. So I've selected the same prompt over here. It is specializing in real estate and property related humor. Your task is to generate a viral meme image for a real estate agency's Facebook page. Over here is the audience context, the requirements, the meme should be funny, relatable, and the rest of the details related to which I want the meme. Okay, so as you can see that I've entered all the details over here. And after this, in the end, I've mentioned output should be generate a meme image ready to post on Facebook. So if you also want this prompt, the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. You can simply copy and use that workflow URL, and you can use my prompt also from there. It is very easy, but make sure that this is for real estate and property related humor. If you are running another business, then you have to generate the prompt according to your own business. What you can do is you can simply give this prompt to any AI tool like ChatGPT or Gemini and ask them to generate a prompt something like this for your business. Just enter the details of your business there. Okay, after this it is saying uploaded file URL and the image URL. So both of this is not required. Just click on the save and send test request. Once you click on the save and send test request, based on your prompt, it is going to generate you a meme. So you have to wait for few seconds, have patience till Gemini is going to generate you the meme. And further, we're going to post that meme on our Facebook page. Okay, so let's just wait till Gemini is going to generate us the meme. Over here, we're going to receive the response in which we're going to receive that Gemini generated meme. So let's just wait, and we have received the response, and you can see we have this file URL. So once you're going to copy this file URL and open it in a new tab, you're going to see that this is the meme which Gemini has generated. Me looking at my dream home wish list, me looking at my actual bank account balance. Such a funny meme, right? So let's post it on our Facebook. So close this, and now what we have to do, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Facebook pages. This is very important step, that you search for Facebook pages. So search for Facebook pages, selected. For the event, select it as create page photo post and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook pages. Once we do this, Pabbly is going to ask us to select the Facebook page. So now if you haven't logged in your Facebook account, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account, and then only you're going to get this option to click on this continue. So once you get this option to click on this continue, just click on this continue and your Facebook pages will be connected with Pabbly Connect. But if you are not getting this option, first log in inside Facebook, then only you're going to get this option to click on this continue. Now Facebook pages is connected with Pabbly Connect. So let's select the page. Over here the name of my page is Prime Properties. So let's select the same. Let's search for Prime Properties and select it. Now for the photo URL, yes, we have the URL which Gemini generated, but over here is a hack that you don't have to enter this photo URL manually by copy pasting it or by entering it manually, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So put a slash and then open the response of Gemini and map this file URL like this. For the description, if you want to add some caption with this photo URL, you can use Gemini to generate that caption too. And not, if you want to enter it manually, then you can enter it manually, but make sure that the details which you're going to enter manually will be static information. So if you want this description to change with every new photo, then using Gemini you can generate the description related to photo or the meme, and then you can map it right over here. Then click on this save and send test request. I just want to post the meme, so I'm just going to ignore this description. This is not required. Now you're going to see we have received the positive response that we have successfully posted this. Okay, so let's open our Facebook, and now we're just going to refresh this page in order to check for the new meme posted. Now you're going to see, yes, a new meme is posted over here. Now with this, we have successfully completed our workflow. Every Wednesday and Sunday at 1 p.m. this workflow is going to run. Gemini is going to generate me the meme which we're going to post on our Facebook page. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out and create this amazing automation for your own Facebook page. And if you have any doubts, don't forget to drop them in the comment section below. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and And if you want more automation tips, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.